Principal ma'am, supervisor ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends, a warm good morning to one and all present here. Welcome back to school. After many months of the silent hall and empty classrooms, I am so happy to welcome my friends and teachers back into the learning environment. At last, this beautiful day has arrived. I'm sure you all have been waiting for this day. The fact that not all of us love coming to school is not surprising. Catching a friend, meeting favorite teachers are reason we cannot avoid coming to school. I am delightful to thank the presence of personality that hardly needs any introduction. It is none other than our principal ma'am. Besides, I'm also honored to be thanking hard work, patience, and perseverance of our supervisor ma'am and beloved teachers. So let us start our new year at school with hopes and dreams that no matter how limited we might be, we will do our best to achieve our dreams. Thank you.